In this video, let's talk about how you can download Compass for your Android phone. Let's get into it. So usually if you check out your apps, you will not be able to find a Compass app which would be built in. In my case, I can find an app right here, but that's because I downloaded it from the Google Play Store, and this is something you can easily do as well, right? So what you can do is to locate the Play Store where obviously you get all of your apps and literally just type in Compass into this search. And so many options are going to be presented to you. As I mentioned in a couple of other videos of mine, the UI and the way the app looks might be different, but generally speaking, every single app will access the same sensors and will just get the job done. So no matter which one you get, as long as it works, then it's going to be fine. I personally decided to go for this one with like 10 million plus downloads called Digital Compass, and it has worked well for me so far. But another app which I recommend people with the Compass is this one called Sensor Box. And this app can test your built-in sensors of the phone. And the one used for the Compass is the magnetic sensor. So you can tap on it and you can see we have an ad. So let's close that. And if I return back to the app, you can see when I click on this, I have the real-time data pulled from the sensor. So it really makes it easy for me to notice how well it's going or what's really going on with the phone right here, and just make sure that it generally just works. So that's going to be about it. Subscribe for more guides and videos, and I'll see you later in the future.